Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Often hailed as a super luxury villa on wheels, the 2026 Newell Motorhome is the pinnacle of luxurious mobile living. This finely constructed leisure vehicle goes beyond the typical motorhome design, providing an unmatched fusion of cutting-edge technology, sturdy engineering, and custom luxury, successfully turning long-distance travel into an experience similar to living in a luxurious custom home. The 2026 Newell Motorhome oozes exclusivity and sophistication in every way. Despite its massive size, the exterior boasts streamlined lines and a high-end finish that demonstrate its premium standing. The richness and brilliance of custom paint schemes, which are frequently hand-applied and multi-stage, are uncommon outside of exotic cars. Its integrated lighting, understated badging, and deftly hidden utility compartments all contribute to its neat, uncluttered appearance, which highlights its villa identity rather than that of a simple car. Even after prolonged travel, endurance and a flawless look are guaranteed by the use of premium, long-lasting materials, luxurious interior design, and personalization. Entering the interior of a 2026 Newell Motorhome is like entering a world of custom luxury. Interiors that resemble architectural marvels more than car cabins justify the super luxury villa appellation. From the layout to the particular materials and finishes, owners work closely with Newell's design team to customize every aspect. Anticipate opulent living areas with premium materials, the best leathers and fabrics, hand-polished hardwood floors, imported natural stone worktops, and specially made stainless steel appliances are all included. Gourmet kitchens. Making meals is a true delight because to the large counter space, gorgeous cabinetry, and full-sized, residential-grade equipment. Luxurious bathrooms. A personal haven is created with spa-like features, such as heated flooring, walk-in showers with several spray heads, and expensive fixtures. Master suites. The utmost in comfort and seclusion are offered with king-sized beds, spacious wardrobes, and integrated entertainment systems. Technological integration. With user-friendly interfaces, sophisticated smart home systems manage everything from lighting and climate to entertainment and security. Constant entertainment and connection are guaranteed via strong Wi-Fi networks, satellite connectivity, and high-fidelity audiovisual systems. The 2026 Newell Motorhome's opulent exterior belies a specially constructed frame that offers remarkable stability, ride comfort, and longevity. Even when completely loaded or towing, these motorhomes' strong, high-performance engines provide effortless driving capabilities. Road irregularities are smoothed out by sophisticated air suspension systems, which frequently have independent front suspension. This results in an incredibly calm ride that belies the vehicle's size. A commanding and safe driving experience is made possible by advanced driver assistance technology, automated leveling systems, and extensive safety measures. For many miles, the villa will continue to be a sturdy and dependable rolling palace, thanks to the meticulous engineering. The 2026 Newell Motorhome, which offers an unmatched mobile living experience, is a monument to what can be achieved when unwavering elegance and state-of-the-art automobile engineering come together.